Hello students, welcome to the SST class. Today is the second day of chapter 20, Early Man. In this chapter, we have already discussed that early man lived in jungles. He hunted wild animals and ate raw flesh of animals. He also learned to make tools with stone, bone and wood. Let's take the feedback. What did early man eat? Why is early man called a food gatherer? How did early man cover his body? Why did early man make sharp tools? Which was the earliest weapon used by early man? Students, I hope you are able to answer these questions. Today I will discuss that how did early man discover fire? How did he become a farmer and the living style of early man? Students, fire is one of the most important discoveries made by early man, which improved the standard of living of early man. This is such an important development because early man learned how to cook food with fire to keep themselves warm and frighten wild animals. Students, it's reading time, so open your book at page 103. Discovery of fire. Early man was afraid of fire. Afraid means scared. He would often see fires breaking out in jungles. Often means many times. Breaking out means blow up. He noticed that even animals were afraid of it. Students, initially early man was scared of fire and he also observed that animals were also afraid of it. He probably first saw fire when lightning struck trees or other parts of nature. Early man did not know how to light a fire. Later, he discovered that fire could be made by rubbing two stones together. Underline the word discovered and its meaning is exposed. Early man did not know how to light a fire. Then the question is, how did early man discover fire? As I told you that early man used to make tools out of stones. Probably when two stones struck each other, a spark must have appeared. This spark might have lit up dry leaves. This is how he discovered fire. Then he learned to make fire to cook meat. He found that meat cooked by fire was softer and tastier. Fire also scared away wild animals. Scared means afraid. It also kept them warm. So the discovery of fire was a great achievement. Achievement means success. Students, fire became the center of daily life of early man. He used it to protect himself from animals and used to keep himself warm. He also used fire as a source of light. How he became a farmer. Early man started learning new things. He noticed that seeds of fruits on the wet ground grew into plants. Wet means moist. He could grow his own food. Early man used to eat fruits. He threw seeds here and there. He found that over a period of times they grew into new plants. It inspired him to become a farmer. Later, he learned to plow the land. He learned to cultivate grains. He realized that he need not go searching for food. Realize means understood. So, From a food gatherer, he became a settled farmer. Gatherer means collector. Now, early man need not to move from one place to another in search of food. This is how from food gatherer early man became a farmer. Living style. Early man needed water for plants, so he settled down near rivers. Students, when early man learned to grow grains, he required water for them. He chose to live near rivers because water was available and soil was fertile to grow crops. He started building huts with stones, branches of trees, and animal skin. Underline the word building means making. He started living in groups. Small villages came up. Students, he learned to make huts with branches of trees, stones, and skin of animals. The lifestyle of early man grew fast after he learned to live in groups. As a result, small villages came into existence. So, when did small villages come up? Small villages came up when early men settled down near the rivers. Some of them painted pictures of animals and hunting scenes on the walls of caves. Students, early man led a settled life. He got free time. He used his free time to enjoy the life. He also painted on cave walls as he wanted to communicate and show his feelings. Students, today we have discussed the important discovery made by early man, living style of early man, and how he became a settled farmer. I hope these are clear to you. Now your homework is to reread the topic, revise terms, and do HOTS of page 107. Thank you.